Cool Cuddles.
We provide comprehensive and convenient guidance from conception, through pregnancy and delivery to the postnatal period with a team of obstetricians, gynecologists, pediatricians and other related medical officers.
Cool Cuddles offers the best personalized prenatal and birth experience for you and expecting family. Keep in touch with us.
Cool Cuddles, Mother and Baby Care. Aerial yoga is quickly gaining popularity worldwide and provides a slew of physical and well-being benefits. We chatted with top aerial yoga instructors to find out that we could do aerial yoga during pregnancy. During pregnancy, it can be difficult to find a comfortable position to relax in. That's because your body is going through many changes, and your usual laying positions will no longer work. The good news is that aerial yoga can help you relax and relieve certain pressure points, as long as you follow the right posture.
Aerial yoga, also referred to as anti-gravity yoga, shares a lot similarities with traditional yoga. However, there's a big difference. When participating aerial yoga, the weight of your body will be supported by a hammock. This means you'll be suspended in the air. Instead of performing yoga poses on a mat, aerial yoga utilizes a silk hammock or sling that is suspended from the ceiling to perform those same movements. The purpose of the hammock is to provide support through your yoga flow, while also improving flexibility and range of motion. Hammocks are a great option for pregnant women to relax, both indoors and outdoors. Though hammocks are lauded for their comfort, many women still wonder if it's safe to lay in one while pregnant. The hammock also takes pressure off certain areas of the body like the head and shoulders, allowing you to reach those more challenging poses like headstands with greater ease. Although most aerial yoga photos you'll find seem to showcase a yogi fully suspended in air, many aerial yoga poses only require you to take one body part such as your foot or leg off the ground. For the 40 weeks that a woman's body is growing a child, mom is using up a lot more energy than usual, and one of the side effects of being pregnant is feeling lethargic. There are two ways that you might look at this. First of all, one might assume that, as a result of extreme tiredness, a pregnant lady may not want to participate in a yoga practice, aerial or otherwise. In contrast, some people might take the view that taking part in an activity such as aerial yoga will give a much-needed boost of energy.
When you lay down on a hammock, be sure to lay on your side, especially if you are in your second and third trimester. This position improves the flow of blood and nutrients that reach your baby. Here are helpful tips to make sure that you're even more comfortable. And if you're new to aerial yoga fitness, here are some tips to remember before you head to your schedule.
Trust the sling. This is a body-inclusive practice, as the sling can hold up to a couple thousand pounds. No matter your shape, size or ability, you can enjoy aerial yoga. Wear the right gear. For an aerial yoga, you'll want to wear tight yoga pants or leggings as opposed to loose pants or shorts. A sports bra is needed, as well as a fitted workout shirt that ideally covers the underarms if you have sensitive skin, as the slings can sometimes cause chafing. We also suggest wearing a tank top and bringing a long sleeve shirt with you to wear for some of the moves. Don't eat a big meal beforehand. You'll want to avoid eating a large meal for at least an hour before aerial yoga, so a small snack like a banana beforehand should be fine. Just relax. More difficult moves can be intimidating and people can often get in their own head. Breathe through the poses and go at your own pace. Speak up. If you need help handling the sling, or you're uncomfortable in a pose, you shouldn't be afraid to speak up and ask the instructor for help. Modify when necessary. Even though a movement may look difficult, there are tons of modifications that make aerial yoga accessible to anyone. Attend with an open mind and make sure you have an open communication line with your instructor. Here are the benefits of aerial yoga.
Increase full body flexibility and strength. This practice is a full body type of movement, so it strengthens all muscles. The hammock itself allows you to go deeper into the stretches and poses, further enhancing full body flexibility. Alleviate back and neck pressure. Sitting or standing all day long allows gravity to weigh down the spine, but being upside down in certain aerial yoga moves, she claims, can help lengthen and decompress the spine. Promote circulation. Given the nature of the poses and breathing through the movements, Aerial yoga is great for promoting circulation throughout the body as well as digestion. Stress relief. It's no secret that the tension and stress on the body during this time can drive you slightly crazy, having a way to release that is very healthy. Furthermore, there are many meditation elements included in restorative aerial yoga sessions, which will be another addition to your calming arsenal. Improve core strength. In order to maintain stability throughout the different poses, it's important to keep the abdominal muscles engaged throughout the practice. Boost confidence and mood. In addition to the opportunity to learn something new, aerial yoga makes more advanced yoga poses accessible to beginner yogis by the support of the sling, which can boost confidence in the practice and provide a sense of accomplishment. Helps with breathing. Controlled breathing is an important aspect of yoga. Aerial yoga allows you to breathe deeply without any restriction. While hanging in the air, you'll be able to totally relax. Aerial yoga enables you to comfortably maintain every pose. Over time, you can even expect to improve your lung capacity. Burns calorie. Aerial yoga offers more than just peace and relaxation. It also helps burn calories through the balance it takes to stay control in the silks. Being suspended in the air requires a stable core as you change positions in a way a mat yoga class can't. Improving balance. Exercising against gravity improves your balance and stability during daily activities. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Cool Cuddles, and I'll see you in the next video.